Best drone for a beginner. Hey guys, here I am back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to share a list of best drone for beginners. So let's start with our today's list. I'm sure you will like all the shared options. And yes, do like, share, and comment on my video. And also subscribe the channel for further videos. Now, let's start with our first slot and see what we have at the top number. Number 1. Auto Evo Nano Drone. Here we have one of the best and high-quality drones for beginners that you can use easily and can learn every function properly. This drone was launched in the beginning of 2022. The Auto Evo Nano is the primary drone to nicely provide DJI a run for its price in a short time. In fact, when you have limitless budget, we might possibly suggest the Nano over the DJI Mini 2. Due to the fact the latter has 3 manner impediment avoidance sensors undeniably beneficial for newbie drone flyers. There are some different functions that make this an exceptional preference for fledgling flyers. It's smooth to set up with a well-designed hand controller. It additionally clocks in below 250 G. This means that it is smooth to move, and also you might not require to take heed of such a lot of CAA rules so as to get airborne. Available in 4 shades: red, orange, white, and gray. The Auto Evo Nano is likewise a drone that'll develop with you. Thank you particularly to the exceptional camera, which has a 1.2-inch sensor that punches manner above its weight, capturing 4K video and 48 megapixel stills. A superbly weighted gimbal wheel creates super clean camera movement, and the digital digicam additionally can provide a pin-sharp 2.7K live feed at your phone's screen, something that only a few digital digicam drones are successful of. So, this is all about this option. Now let's check out the next option and see what we have at this slot. Number 2. Rise Teledrone. Here we have another best and most exceptional drone that you can have while starting using drones for professional or personal use. Aside from being one of the best priced drones for indoor and outdoor flying, the Telo is likewise an outstanding mastering tool because it could be programmed through the person to carry out numerous actions using the Telo Edu smartphone programming app, iOS and Android. This is a groundbreaking characteristic for kids who desire to examine the artwork of programming and robotics in an exciting and academic way. The programming interface may be very smooth to get a manage on and essentially includes dragging color-coded blocks, take off, up, forward, proper, etc. into a particular arrangement. Not surprisingly, the Telo's amazing flight traits and raft of capabilities are typically due to the DJI additives it is equipped with. It weighs simply 8 GB and suits within the palm of the hand. To fly it, definitely download the Telo app, join the drone, and use the digital joystick controls. Its imaginative and prescient positioning device is so properly designed that you can take it off, pass, and make a cup of tea, and whilst you get again, it's going to nonetheless be within inside the identical position. The Telo also can be released through throwing it into the air, and it's going to even carry out a circus of aerial tricks. So, this is all about this option. Now let's have a look at the next slot, and let's see what we have at the next position. Number 3. DJI Air 2S Drone. Here we have another best drone that you can purchase if you want to use a drone for the very first time. This will not only provide you great results, but also give you smooth and easy performance duration. If you require an easy-to-use drone that's able to shoot pristine 4K pictures and excessive resolution stills, and you've a greater price range, the DJI Air 2S is, pound for pound, the exceptional preference at the market. Like each drone within the DJI roster, it could not be simpler to get a deal with one. You can really eliminate it from the field and place the drone on a table. Now match the props. Eliminate the digital digicam's gimbal cover. Slide your iPhone or Android tool into the hand controller's spring-loaded mounting. Download and release the DJI Fly app and activate the drone. You'll first be taken through a registration collection, and then you may see the default display screen and a bright photo regardless of the camera's pointing at. Now pass outdoors and fly. That's the DJI setup occurrence in a nutshell. It is honestly self-assurance inspiring to fly in maximum climate situations bar snow, rain, and really excessive wind. From a cinematography and pictures point of view, this drone surely excels due to the fact its camera is outfitted with 1-inch Sony sensor. It's able to capture 5.4K at 30 frames consistent with second, 4K at as much as 60 FPS, and 1080p at up to 120 fps. This is all about this exceptional option Now let's have a look at the next slot and see what we have at this next slot. Number 4. Potencia 20 Drone. Here we have another accessible and exceptional drone that you can have while learning about drones. This DJI indoor drone is small and mild, sufficient to resist lots of crashes whilst you discover ways to manage it, and it can also make you proficient at flying or controlling drones after some time of practice. And it is so affordable that even in case you do ultimately wreck it, it may not be a huge economic loss. Flying a drone interior is an exceptional manner to find out how a drone behaves while mess around with the joysticks, and this one's a splendid start line because the managed approach is precisely similar to any huge outdoor drone. It comes with 3 sensitivity settings, so we might recommend beginning at the slowest placing first whilst you familiarize yourself with its flight characteristics. Thankfully, it additionally comes with a headless mode that guarantees the managed directions, forward, backwards, and sideways stay the identical regardless of which manner the drone is pointing. It additionally functions as an accessible one-button takeoff and touchdown function. You can anticipate to get a complete of almost 12 minutes of flying out of the 2 provided batteries. So, this is all I wanted to share about the best drones for beginners. Every shared option is great on its own, so you can choose any of these according to your budget and desires. Here I am gonna end this video. I will see you soon with another exciting video. Till then, do like, share, and comment on this video. And also do subscribe to the channel for further videos and press the bell icon for future videos notifications. And yes, if you want to know more about these shared options, then you can check the links given in the description box.